Okay, this is day 30 of a teacher sabbatical, and we are on our way from Hikone to Kyoto, and this is to show you how the rice is harvested here in Japan. It's a slow going process. And we are on a highway which is traveled on Vorsicht Fahrrad. Heavily traveled on. Sometimes there's a cycling lane, but as we know, on the cycle lanes there are stones and glass and other things. So sometimes we prefer to take the road, but as you can see, the road is terrible. I mean, the traffic is terrible. Yeah, this is day 30 of a teacher sabbatical. We are on our way to Kyoto, where we will have several rest days to go sightseeing in Kyoto. And well, apparently they want to decharge the rice which they have in the machine, and it goes into the little truck. You will see they will download the rice into the little truck. And now it's flowing. The rice is flowing from the machine into the truck. It's already some kind of transport plastic container. So they're going to bring the rice into the factory, where it's cleaned and dried and peeled, possibly. Should be dry because it hasn't rained for a while. And as you can see, there's a little dust coming from the machine, the harvester. So it should be dry, but maybe it's not dry enough. Who knows? But it takes a long time to harvest such a small field, as the machines are so small, and they don't have wheels. They have like construction machines or tanks. They have different kind of system to move forward. Anyway, I think the first truck is loaded and goes away, and the second one takes its turn. If they had bigger trucks, they could possibly work more effectively. So they arranged the second container. And the container is so high, it doesn't seem really safe on the little truck. Somehow it could fall down. I'm not sure whether they tighten it somehow. Yep, that's rice harvesting in Japan, going on all over Japan. In the south earlier than in the north. Hokkaido will probably be the last. And some fields are still green and underwater, but lots of fields can already be harvested. Okay, so this is day 30 of a teacher sabbatical. Hopefully we will arrive safely in Kyoto tonight. Take care. Bye bye, friends and family.